So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking at conversion from molecules to moles. We call this a one-step. In this case, we've got 2.5 times 10 to the 25th molecules of NaCl, where molecules are just groups of atoms combined. And we're going to be converting into moles of NaCl. Remember, a mole is like a dozen. It's a whole bunch of smaller pieces, just a grouping of them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down the given information, all we know, and we're going to put it over 1. Okay, so we've got the 2.5 times 10 to the 25th molecules of NaCl over 1. And then I know I need to get rid of molecules of NaCl. So what I need to do is I need to write what I want to get rid of, whatever that unit is, has to go on the bottom of the next cell. Okay, so I've got molecules of NaCl up here, molecules of NaCl down here, so they're going to cross cancel. Now, the thing I'm looking for is always going to go up on the top. In this case, I'm looking for moles. That's what the question said. So I'm looking for moles of NaCl, so I write that up here. And we know Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, always equals 1 mole. So I can put 1 mole above, and then 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd on the bottom. At that point, I've got the unit, I've got what it's asking for, so I'm just going to solve at that point. So with that, I go ahead and use the calculator. The calculator is going to spit out this. Remember, calculators don't know significant digits. They're just dumb little machines. So they're going to just give us out what we put in. Now we have to adjust for significant digits. So we go back to our initial value. There's 2 significant digits here. Then there's 3 significant digits over here. The rule on multiplication and division was always the least number of significant digits. Remember, the 1 mole is always infinite. So here's a 3, there's a 2, and there's our infinity. So we're going to be limited to just 2 significant digits. 1, 2, put a mark after that. Last one, we look 1 spot over. Remember, if it's a 5 or greater, it rounds up. So that 1 is going to round up to a 2. So our answer becomes 42. Then we have units in the formula, so it'd be 42 moles of NaCl. Now if we go on to the next one, another example, in this case, we have 37.62 times 10 to the 25th atoms of Ca, and we're going to go into moles of Ca. So with that, walking this one through, just like we did the last one, this one will go together. We're going to write down 37.62 times 10 to the 25th atoms of Ca. Remember, that first number you always put over 1. That way nothing else can go there. Now I've got atoms, but I want to get rid of atoms because I want to go to moles. That's what my question's asking. So the thing I want to get rid of always goes on the bottom. The thing I'm looking for is always going to go up on top. So in this case, I can convert atoms to moles. I always want to keep track of what the substance is. Now, whenever we said atoms into moles, the mole value was always 1. That doesn't change. Like 12 eggs is always a dozen, 1 dozen. But in this case, it's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, or 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd anything equals 1 mole. So with that, we go ahead and equals, because that's what I'm looking for. My atoms of Ca have canceled out. And go ahead and run this on the calculator quick. Let me pause for a sec. Okay, didn't get something right there. Oh, now I gotta restart that. Huh? Yeah. Can I go back? I'm guessing not. Why is it still recording? No, the timer's still going. I don't know why.